Hey fellas, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the fairing mounting parts which are broken into something like this. It'll be really nice once you get it done. You won't have any fairing vibrations or anything like that. Initially it looked like this, it's all broken by the service center people. It was stuck with double-sided tape, which was very ugly and making a lot of rattling noise. Eventually I had to open it up and I found out that it was actually broken and it was secured with double-sided tape. So I planned to remove it out and use my own method to fix it. So this is how it looks like. This is the way how it's broken. It goes in like that. Yeah. But before fixing it, you'll have to clean the fairing shields very nicely with some soap and water. Since you have already opened your bike, you could still wash up all the other dirty parts in your bike so that they could be extra clean and all that. Make sure that you don't force too much of water into all those other parts inside which are really sensitive, like those relays which are those black boxes and all that. They have to be safe. You can't spoil them. The rest of it you can still wash it off easily. You can use a nice soft bristle brush. It'll do the job. All these radiator fins have already been bent because of all those rocks hitting on them. Maybe it's best if you clean it off some other time. Maybe not this time, but to start with, you can use some petrol to clean it up really nice where the two pieces meet, the broken pieces, which I mean, because dust will keep it from sticking properly. That's the first crucial step. Now you must make sure that you match both the ridges of both the broken parts in proper alignment and use some super glue to secure it first, and after super glue dries up, you can use some hot glue to secure it even harder. And once that is done, you can use a little bit more super glue around the hot glue so that it adheres even more strong. I'm really sorry that the video doesn't have enough steps and detailing because the situation when I recorded wasn't really that good, so I did what's best. As you can see, I'm trying to get it fixed up, but the thing is that it isn't sitting properly enough. That is because there's a canister that is attached to the left side fairing, and that is kind of obstructing it from fitting in properly. Later on, I just removed it and then I readjusted it so that it fits in proper and nice. That is pretty much it. You can do this with the other motorbikes also, like the Honda CBR, the Charisma, or Yamaha R15 or any other bike that needs something like this, and I assure you that that will suffice. Thank you for watching, and make sure you rate, comment and subscribe. In case you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below.